guys? It's Quarantine Chris coming back from the Ace Playground. And today I got a competition for you. Feeling a bit creative lately, and we're gonna have a drawing contest. And just to make sure I don't cheat, I'm gonna be drawing my artwork with tape. What's up, Ace Playground? Thank you for joining in again. I got a little carried away and started just slathering paint on there, but I like how it came out. And if y'all do have a chance to get your hands on some masking tape, it's very enjoyable to work with. You can put it on, leave a design, even if your parents don't want you to paint the walls, and rip it off with no consequences. So again, thank you again for tuning in, and I'll see y'all next week.